Ever wondered why some renovations go smoothly while others become nightmares? The secret lies in asking the right questions. Hi, I'm Darius, a realtor in Southern California. Look into every detail of your contractor's quote to avoid unexpected surprises. Let's dive right into it. Before signing any contract, ensure you understand every aspect of the quote. Does the price include both labor and materials? Clarify these details ahead of time to prevent costly misunderstandings later on down the road. Never pay contractors ahead of the agreed-upon schedule. Payment is your leverage to ensure quality work. Holding payments until each phase of the scheduled work is satisfactorily completed ensures you don't lose money. By controlling payments, you maintain power over the renovation process. This ensures contractors stay committed to delivering the promised quality and sticking to the timeline that you both agreed to. Document every agreement and expectation to avoid costly misunderstandings. My experience has taught me the importance of having detailed contracts to prevent unexpected expenses. Written agreements protect you from miscommunication. They ensure both parties are on the same page, reducing the risk of disputes and additional costs. Research is key when hiring a contractor. Check past work and client testimonials online to gauge their reliability and expertise. Ensuring your contractor's reputation is solid will avoid liability issues of subcontractors not being paid. By choosing a reputable contractor, you minimize risks and ensure a smoother renovation process. 5-star reviews online should highlight the reputation of any service you decide to use. Well, that's it in a nutshell. If you like this video, feel free to hit the thumbs up icon and subscribe to see similar content. Thanks for watching and be sure to make it a wonderful day.